Hello, everybody. I have some time today afternoon to review stock market details. So this is live market, and we can talk and share the levels and share strategies. So I just took profit on Nasdaq, came very close to the sell zone. So I bought triple Qs. It was here in the buy zone, and I told you guys. Actually, my private Discord group, I provided a screenshot. I told them we were in the buy zone. And by the way, if you want to join, the link is in the description of this live video. Just click, it's a free chat server. You can just go join there. You can ask me any questions you have. So yeah, and there's also a subscriber group if you want to. It's like $7 a month. You can post any particular chart questions you have. I can provide answers to that. But anyhow, so where we are now, so we're getting closer to sell zone on Nasdaq. This is one US 100 futures. Still can rally. The target is 15,448. So where we are now, it's almost 2:06 p.m. Eastern. You can still rally about 0.37%. So that will be around, let's say, around 1%. So there's still possible we can go close right here on the sell zone. And I don't usually wait till it goes. So usually my trading strategy is if I buy in the buy zone, I like to sell near neutral zone. Okay, so I take my initial investment out around neutral zone. So that was it dipped below this morning, so I bought it. So I had easy 0.74% profit, and then I let the profits running, right? Let the original investment running, and I wait for it to reach red zone. But I had good profit, so I just took all my cash out, so all my investment out. So now I'm just sitting on cash. So there are two things which will happen. Maybe by the end of day, it's almost 2 hours left for the day to close. They might close here in the red sell zone. So maybe tomorrow we'll see a dip, or if we sell off by end of day, and if we are here, then I'll be looking to buy again. Okay, my strategy, since we are in a bull market, I don't like to short, because in a bull market it's not easy shorting. It can keep going higher and higher. So rather I just sit on cash like I'm now right now. I'll wait for price to go in the buy zone, and I'll buy again. It's an easy 1% gain every day you can make, right? So why to take risks? It's just a matter. And September seasonality wise is a bit bearish. So if I go to NDX seasonality chart, I just wanted to show you. So we got to be mindful of all these scenarios too, right? So that's what I wanted to let you know. So you can see seasonality chart. You can see September mid. We are right now around 13. So probably we have around a couple of more days to go before we reach mid. So you can see from mid to the end of September, there's a big decline. So that's almost 2% decline on the index. Okay. So be very careful taking profits, and it doesn't necessarily need to be this much of a decline. There's also like the mixed charts on the internet. So you can see this is a Nasdaq futures. You can see here we have decline until October, and this decline is 2% to -1, so almost 3% decline. So you can see multiple indicators are showing us this could be a weakness from now until end of October. So I'm being very careful. Whenever I see profit, I take it. And it could be also a choppy market. It doesn't really need to go through seasonality. So I'll wait for price action to go here. I will buy again. And as soon as I'm in profit, we are closer to neutral zone, I will sell again. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's the strategy. So you can look at these levels. 15215 as of right now is the level to buy. Uh, Also, what you can do is you can take a snapshot of this level, and then you can buy triple Q. So what you can do is from the price action where it is right now, you can see it's going to go around 1% down to reach this level. So I can place and buy order from here to 1% down, which is almost very close to this buy zone 371. So yeah, that's the way I usually trade. US 100, US 500, which is S&P 500, same thing. Came from buy zone to sell zone, just running short of the sell zone right now. You can still rally. 44.90 is the target. Still rally from here to end of day around 0.38%. And alternatively, if it sells down below 4442, I will be looking to buy again. Dow Jones is a bit weak, still in the middle, so I don't do anything. Middle is no trade zone. Higher we go, we look to sell, and lower we go, we look to buy. Russell 2000, very interesting. Actually, it's coming closer to buy zone, so I'm very interested in buying Russell right now. maybe as soon as I'm done, I will be buying this. So IWM is the ETF. So let me put this. No, yeah. Anyhow, I'll do it after. So I'll be looking to buy IWM as soon as it reaches sell zone. So it's almost there right now, actually. So from here, it can reach 0.18% is what I will be looking to buy. Okay, so that's the strategy. So Russell is looking very interesting for another quick bounce and quick profits. Gold below neutral zone. If it comes below 1905, look to buy gold or gold miners. Silver is also near neutral zone, so I will wait for it to go below 24, 22.435 to buy again. Natural gas bouncing, you can see it came to third standard deviation. Usually it's not able to hold. It's very rare when stock goes above or stays near third standard deviation. Usually it sells down. So from there, you can see easily it came now as per down 3.73%, and now it's in the neutral zone. So what we do, we just wait. This is a no trade zone, white line. We wait for price to go below 2.77 to buy again, or go above 2.91 to sell. Okay. Crude oil just consolidating after massive moves, so it's just relaxing right now. So if it falls below 87.281, look to buy crude oil again. Dollar index in the middle, no trade zone. Bitcoin, so massive pump yesterday, and it was in the sell zone this morning, and now just coming down, consolidating. Wait for it to go below 25,760 to buy again. This is if it goes above 26,270, also a quick short is possible here. Ethereum, same thing in the neutral zone. 1581 and below, look to buy, and 1612 and up, look to sell. Let's look at individual stock. Apple, oh wow, very good. Apple is getting closer to buy zone, so maybe I'll be looking to take some Apple stocks very soon as well. So 174.74 and below. Netflix looking very good. Third standard deviation almost here, and yeah, looking like Netflix is also a good buy to trade. And actually, you know what? Let's quickly look at Netflix seasonality chart while we are here. Let's see if I get any more indications before I buy Netflix. If it's gonna be a bearish chart, like I showed on NDX, maybe we should wait for this thing to. Let's go to images and see if we can get something here. So this is seasonality chart. September is not that bad. So you can see it's from now until end of September, just consolidating, and then a bounce in October. So that's not bad. And even here, this is September is just going higher. So just want to see on Google if I can get some images, because Google sometimes gives better images. So here you go. So September month is still going higher here, and geometric September month is not bad. Okay, so yeah, so looking good. I might be looking to buy some Netflix shares. We'll see. Snowflakes in the middle, neutral line. So there's this gap fill. Looks like it filled this gap, so you can get rid of this. And TSX, Toronto Stock Exchange, in the sell zone, near sell zone, and Hang Seng Index China in the neutral zone. Let's look at commodities. Copper in the neutral zone, palladium in the sell zone, wheat, massive bounce. I was telling, I created a video yesterday. If you listen, or you can see it was in the buy zone long-term chart. It was backtesting a support, and you can see short-term here, and now it's almost up 1.75%. So that was good trade. Corn near neutral zone, soybeans near neutral zone, sugar also near neutral zone. Let's look at gold miners. Still a way to go. There's a gap around 28. That will be my target to buy again. Newmont mine, biggest gold miner going near sell zone, so still a bit higher. Targets. Let's see if anything is selling. Energy sector in the neutral zone. Let's see industrials. Oh, industrials. Wow, very good. Why they are selling? Let's see. XLI Holdings. So something happened on XLI industrial sector, and I want to see which stock is pushing this down. Okay, whatever. Accept and save, and I want to see holdings of this. Caterpillar, Union Pacific, Honeywell, Boeing, so all industrial stocks. So Caterpillar might be down, probably. But again, so it is in the buy zone, and probably it's same as Dow Jones here index. I like to buy index instead of a particular chart, but index is showing it's in the neutral zone. I'll wait. I think there's still more downside here, so I'll wait for that. So I will not buy Indust XLI yet. Real estate sector in the buy zone, financials in the sell zone, KRE, regional bank ETF, getting close to buy zone. There's a gap around 42.41, can come all the way down to fill that gap. Let's see, hyper stocks. ARK 43.24 and below, look to buy. Shopify near neutral zone. Costco near neutral zone. UPS was down heavily, so it's still in the buy zone. You can see short term, it's in the buy zone. I created a video yesterday. You can watch it on my analysis. What do I think? Boeing is also just touching the buy zone right now. Verizon, TELUS near neutral zone. Let's see what else is here. This is China, MCHI. Well, for China, just focus on Hang Seng Index. So I will wait to see. Still, it's higher. So I will wait for it to fall below 70,919 to buy any Chinese stock. So until that, I'm just going to ignore it. Is there anything else? I think banks are bouncing. So you can see all banks are having a nice bounce. So you just have to be patient. Just be patient and see. Let's see if anything else. CNQ biggest. Okay, it's coming closer to buy zone. 63.87 and below. Look to buy. XOM in the middle. Nothing to do here. And let's see what else is here. Any hyper stocks. Nikola down 5% right on the buy zone at the time of this recording. Riot in the middle. Square in the middle. Let's see what else is here. Neo getting closer to buy zone 10.05 and below, look to buy Neo. Lucid Motors in the neutral zone as well. Okay guys, again from now until end of this session, the levels, so you can see Nasdaq is selling a little bit. The levels are on S&P 500 44.90 to the top side to buy 44.42, and on Nasdaq 15.449 on the top side and to buy 15.216. Okay guys, have a good rest of the afternoon. Take care, bye.